Hello, this is Manish. Today I'm going to speak about top data mining tools for healthcare industries. Now I'll share my screen. Okay, top data mining tools for the healthcare industry. Section 1 is summary and the introduction. The healthcare industry produces enormous data from various data sources such as patient files, health records, hospital billing systems, etc. With traditional methods, it is too difficult to handle this data such as processing and analyzing. So many researchers have recommended using advanced data analysis techniques called data mining to overcome this difficulty. The major difference between data mining and traditional methods is it can discover important patterns from massive datasets, whereas those traditional methods could not discover those insights. But still, many medical researchers don't have proper exposure to data mining, so they're considering it as a secondary technique for research. Mathematics is common for both methods, but in data mining it adds weightage over other methods since it has machine learning database systems and data visualization. Data mining tools have plenty of software packages that can examine an enormous amount of data to find out important patterns and foresee outcomes. It also eases the cleaning process of data since data mining tools has data knowledge discovery in database since it has data cleaning features. Open source data mining tools are free of cost since they are Hestier analyzed this article. The main goal of this article is to represent data mining tool selection criteria for the healthcare industry. Some of the popular tools are KNIME, RapidMiner, R, and Spark. They are selected towards the usage and their accurateness to the healthcare domain. Related architecture. Jay Young introduced several databases and data mining methods to aid in the better understanding and real-time application of a wide range of clinical researchers. Research methods. Classification is the foremost data analysis method that is used in predicting labels. It differentiates the data into different groups based on target attribute, also the label's probabilities predicted. This method is used immensely in the healthcare industry to find the relation between microbiota and diabetes. Vector machine and neural network algorithms are used, and also diabetes is predicted by this method. This burn implementation outcome is predicted using the K-star algorithm. Breast cancer is predicted using decision tree algorithm, and Bayesian network predicts oral cancer. Partitioning set of data items into subsets is process of clustering. This method is employed when we lack extensive knowledge of various source of information items included in a population. Given that it is a machine learning technique, it seeks out the group of data that are comparable to one another without taking a specific game into account. The following works were found for the clustering method in a survey of medical publications that have used classification and clustering methods. The k-means algorithm used to diagnose heart disease patients and to remove column tumors. Additionally, techniques have been used to classify proteins into functional categories, forecast the likelihood of diseases, and find disease-specific clusters in medical picture data. The search for relationship rules between attributes is known as an association. The approach is employed when the link between attributes must be identified in a dataset. We can use this technique, for example, to determine whether there is a relationship between having high blood pressure and consuming too much salt, and if so. Using APRI-ORI association rule mining technique, associations between diabetes patients, clinical data, and other mining algorithms were proposed to find relations between time and patients' diseases on health surveillance data, and treatment between medical data and between patients' data for heart disease. Characteristics that are order results that are unique are known as unusual detection. This technique is frequently employed to identify data to clean the data or identify values given in medical data sets, as in works by Kumar et al. We were able to confirm that all data mining techniques had been applied in a variety of works in the healthcare sector, highlighting both the usefulness of data mining in the field of healthcare research and necessity of looking for a tool that covers these techniques. The specific data properties of healthcare applications will next be presented. Results, conclusion, results. Critical capabilities, advanced modeling, data exploration, visualization, data access preparation, performance scale, and user experience, use volume of data are examples of data categories. Classification testing are examples of data mining methods used in the healthcare sector. Conclusion. Medical experts constantly have less experience with data mining, while computer scientists typically aren't trained in domain-specific medical areas. We have first determined the needs the healthcare system industry in terms of the information it uses, and its data quality mining techniques suggest a set of criteria for choosing data mining tools based on the important features. After the well-known tools for open source data mining, the descriptions and comparisons of NIME or scikit-learn and Spark were made using mining tool. We have and the RapidMiner is a good solution than KNIME. If RapidMiner satisfies the requirements of the healthcare application under investigation. contribution. Identify the data characteristics can help the healthcare sensor, which needs to be aware of the data mining techniques frequently used in healthcare and its data domain requirements to assist healthcare data analysts in selecting their open source data mining tools. A set of open source data mining tools were compared using proposed criteria. The proposed criteria were based on requirements for the healthcare data domain. And presenting an overview of the relevant surveys and revealing the most popular data mining solution available on the market will assist data miners in staying current with the trends of the challenging industry. Section 2, critical analysis. Overall assessment. I found this study to be easily understandable, and the author included several research techniques that were used for the massive datasets. The author also discussed the other analytical techniques and the operation of data preparation. The article's author kept a the article's author kept a clear flow throughout this research, and the author's methodology for this study were clear to me. Research methodology. The author's step-by-step explanation of the research methodologies made it simple to understand, even if they are, to my knowledge, a little complex. Topic modeling, topic evolution, many more techniques were used in the extraction and use of data. This article displays the findings of this investigation, future research. In our upcoming work, we want to deploy RapidMiner in a particular healthcare use case to further study of infertility. New knowledge learned. I gained knowledge about the various research techniques employed in this work, including data preparation for the analysis data set, the classification that was applied to the data set, clustering, as well as association and outlier identification on the data topics. Questions to discuss. Are these tools available for the healthcare industries, and will they be able to use these data mining tools effectively? That's it for today. Thank you.